Welcome. We are following this book. First chapter, Accounting in Action. Today lecture on problem set A, problem 4A, Matrix Consulting. This is our problem. Trixie May started her own consulting firm, Matrix Consulting, on May 1, 2017. The following transactions occurred during the month of May. So this is the May 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 12, 15, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29 and 30. This is our transactions instructions. Instructions show the effects of the previous transaction. That means this is previous transaction on the accounting equation. Accounting equation using the following format. This is accounting equation. The basic accounting equation: asset equal to this is equal to, that means this is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So here first one we have the Trix invested 7,000 cash in the business. For these transactions our cash increases, that means asset cash increases, the asset cash increases and owner's equity capital increases. Okay, so here that means defined as owner's capital. This is defined as owner's capital. Okay, so we can repeat again. Trix invested 7,000 cash in the business. For these transactions the asset cash increases, and owner's equity, that defined as owner's capital, increases. Okay, May 2 paid $900 for office rent for the month. For these transactions our asset cash decreases and owner's equity expenses decreases. May 3 purchased $600 of supplies on account. So for these transactions 3, our supplies, that means asset supplies increases and this is on account, so our liabilities account payable increases. May 5 paid $125 to advertise in county news. For this paid, that means asset cash decreases and owner's equity expenses decreases. May 9 received 4,000 cash for the service performed. Received cash, so asset cash increases and service performed, this is a service revenue, that means owner's equity revenues increases. May 12 withdrew $1,000 cash for personal use. For these transactions our asset cash decreases and owner's equity, owner's drawing decreases. May 15 performed $5,400 of service on account. For these transactions service performed, so owner's equity revenue increases and this is on account, service on account, so our asset account receivable increases. 17 May 17 paid $2,500 of employees salaries. For these transactions asset cash decreases and owner's equity expenses decreases. Paid the supplies purchase on account on May 3, that means paid, so our asset cash decreases and liability accounts payable decreases. That is May 3 just supplies on account, we purchase on account, so that times accounts payable increase. Now for these transactions that means payment 4,000, so accounts payable now will be decreased. Okay, May 26 borrowed $5,000 from the bank on a note payable. For these transactions borrowed, so we are receiving cash, so asset cash increases and bank on a note payable. So liability note payable increases. May 29, purchase equipment 4,200 on account. For these transactions, our asset equipment increases and on account, that means liability account payable increases. Paid $275 for utilities. So for these utilities, asset cash decreases and expense, owner's equity expense decreases. Okay, I think everybody is clear. For instructions 1, show the effect, that means transactions on the accounting equation. So this is our accounting equation, asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Just now already we have shown these transactions in our owner's equity equation. Okay, so now we can see the summary of transactions. Matrix Consulting summary of transactions for the month ended May 31st 2018. Already we have discussed it. Now we can say asset, this is the cash and this is the closing balance of cash. This is the closing balance of account receivable. This is the closing balance of supplies. This is the closing balance of equipment. And now also liabilities closing balance, account payable closing balance, owner's capital balance, drawing balance, revenue balance and expense balance. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Now the second question, that means instructions B, prepare an income statement for the month of May. So income statement, you know that to prepare income statement we need to be consider for this income statements revenues and expenses. So we have total revenues 9,400 and total expenses 3,800. Okay, so this is our Matrix Consulting income statement for the month ended May 31st 2018. This is our service revenue and this is our total expenses. This is our total expenses. So this is the net income. Now next instructions, prepare balance sheet. We need to be prepared balance sheet of May 31st 2017. So for our balance sheet, this is our balance sheet items. From these balance sheet items we can prepare the balance sheet. So the Matrix Consulting, we prepare balance sheet. We need to be prepared a particular date. That means this is the date May 31st 2018. So we can see the summary of transaction. This is the summary of transaction of asset sides, and we know balance sheet has two sides, asset and another side liabilities and owner's equity side. So say asset sides, we have the four assets, cash, and this is the closing balance. This is the account receivable. This is the closing balance. This is the supplies. This is the closing balance, and this is the equipment. This is the closing balance. And from this balance, we can prepare our asset sides, and this is the total assets. And liabilities, we have two liabilities, notes payable and accounts payable. So this is our notes payable, this is accounts payable. So this is our total liabilities. Now we couldn't prepare any owner's equity statement. So inside our balance sheet we need to be prepared our owner's equity statement. So this is the opening capital 7,000. This is the opening capital, this is the owner's capital, this is the opening capital. So this capital, and this is our net income. We have got net income from here. This is $5,600. This is our net income, and this is our drawing. This is our drawing, owner's drawing, 1,000 owner's drawing. So this is owner's drawing. So after computation we are getting owner's capital. That means this is the closing capital. These figures. So this figure and this figure, after addition we are getting this figure. So this figure and this figure is same. Okay. So previously, just asset, this is total asset, and owner's equity, this is owner's equity. Also in our balance sheet, this is our total asset and this is our total liabilities and owner's equity. That's all. Now our next lecture on problem set A, problem 5A. Okay. So thank you.